Hello everyone. In the previous video we have seen about the optional class of Java 8. There we have seen the why it is used, the way to create an optional object. These are the three ways to create an object of optional, and then to fetch the data inside the optional object we are going to use is present and get. So now what we are going to do is we have created two custom classes, a person and a bike. In a person we have three instance variables: name, age and bike. The type of bike is optional because a person may have a bike or may not have a bike. In the same way, a bike is having the two instance variables. One is the model of a bike and then the passing number of a bike. So what is our agenda for this video is we are going to fetch out the persons who is who are having the bikes. So for that, whenever we are going to fetch it, so it is going to be the list of persons. So we'll say list of person, we'll name it as a having bikes is equal to, so we already have the persons, then we are going to create a stream over it, and then we are going to map those using a person, or if we want we can also use the filter option, as we are going to do the filter over it. So person dot get bike dot, as get bike is optional, so if it is present, you can see is present is returns true only if it is non-nullable. Here you can see first one is not null, second one is null, third one is not null. It is having value but it is not null, so we should get the, and then we are going to collect those as a to list using the to list. And now what we are going to do is we are going to print them one by one. Here it is a person, let's name it as a person, then having bikes, and in s out we are going to say person dot get name has bike. Now the bike is present inside the person get bike dot get. Since it is optional, we have to use dot get to get the, dot get will return me the bike object, and I wanted to get the bike model, so dot get model. This is how we are going to use it. Now let's run this and see what is the output. So here we have the ether and then we have the null. Null we are having because we don't have any, it has the bike but it is not defined with the object, so like the name of the model, so that's why we are getting null over here. Okay, now these are the scenarios. So whenever we fetch data, so let's suppose this is the db call, and we wanted to get all the bike models of a ether. So let's, okay, here I will change the name as a Sanjay, then Rajesh, then Kumar, let's say. Okay, so all these are ether bikes, and here instead of mh let's say ka, then again ka, instead of tr let's say hg, and here instead of 23 let's say 04. Now I'm going to, what is this, I'm going to write it as a Honda and this as a Hero. So let's say the condition of R is we have to fetch all the person's name who are having the ether bike models. So in that case we got the bike. If it is present, then what we are going to do is we are going to do another filter. So now we have all the persons who are having the bike. Now we wanted to check with its, okay, model name. So dot get bike dot get model dot equals the ether. So what it will do is it will give me all the bikes, all the persons who are having the bike belonging to the ether model. Okay, now we are going to run this. You can say Rakesh and Kumar are the two person who are having the ether bike. If I don't want the ether, I will add negation at the beginning. Now we will get the output as a Rajesh and Sanjay. So this is how we can use the optional. Let's say this is the DB hit, and from DB we are getting the list of person who are having the bike. Then we are going to do the operations over it. Now most of the JPAs are going to return you the optional classes. Okay, so that's for this video. In the next video we are going to learn about the lambda expressions in Java 8. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, do like, share and subscribe. Thanks everyone.